Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Jess and today I'm going to be making a really fun succulent arrangement. Typically I like making succulent arrangements with succulent cuttings, but this is a gift for a friend, and so I'm going to make sure that the succulents won't have a period of wilt while they're growing roots in this arrangement by using rooted succulents. So it really just kind of depends on the purpose, but I will say that using rooted succulents does make putting together an arrangement a little bit more difficult, or I should say a little bit more messy, whereas typically when I like to make succulent arrangements with cuttings, I like to put down the top dressing first and then really just poke my succulents through and let them root into the soil, and it makes just a really clean look. And so that's the only thing that you do have to kind of keep in mind when you're doing this, is it is a little bit more tedious instead of doing it that way. But it still, I thought, turned out really cute. One of the things that I will say about making succulent arrangements is make sure that you put a bunch of different varieties of succulents in there, and you can tell in this one we have some echeverias, some kalanchos, haworthias, some fuzzy succulents, just a really big mix of different stuff. And I also really like to use different pops of color. It just makes it look very springy and vibrant. Then I also added this rose quartz. I've been really into adding crystals. I also really like using amethyst as a centerpiece in my arrangements. I just think it adds such an element to the arrangement itself. And then this is really the magic of the arrangement. This is the Black Galaxy top dressing from The Next Gardener. I will link it down below in the description box. I am addicted to this stuff, you guys. I don't think I will ever be making an arrangement again where I do not use top dressing. Again, I will link it down below. This really makes the arrangement very clean. I like this black, but they also have white and tan and green and different colors like that. But I hope you like how this turned out, and I hope you go check out the top dressing for yourself. I think you guys will really like it. Thanks for joining. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.